Hello everyone, welcome back to Bright Chemistry. In today's video, we will be making white smoke bomb, so let's get started. So for this, we will need powdered sugar, baking soda, potassium nitrate, plain candle wax and a shell. We will only be using the wax and the candle and the wick should be removed. So now let's start making the smoke bomb. First we should measure 25 grams of sugar, and 46 grams of potassium nitrate. After that, we should put both of them in a blender and blend it completely till there are no lumps left over. Okay, so now I have blended everything, and this is the fine powder. Now before proceeding, we should make our shell. I have just taken a cardboard pipe and attached the base to it. Now, our shell is ready and we can start preparing our wax. Okay, so now, we should take a hot plate and start heating the pan and add the wax to it. After the wax has melted completely, we can start adding our potassium nitrate mixture. At this point, you can also add 2 grams of baking soda if you want a medium smoke rate. If you don't add the baking soda, you will get a fast smoke rate, and if you add 5 grams of baking soda you will get a slow smoke rate. The baking soda controls the speed of the smoke and also prevents fire. After adding everything, mix it thoroughly. I have mixed everything thoroughly, and now I will transfer it into the mold. Okay, so now, I have added the mixture into the mold and now we should put a pencil in between and leave it aside for 5 hours. After 5 hours, it will be completely dried. And now I can remove the pencil and sprinkle a little bit of gunpowder or potassium nitrate on the top and attach a fuse to it. Okay, so now, our smoke bomb is ready. And it's time for testing it. Okay guys, so, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.